together? Is my it together? It's together. Kind of. It's together, I think. Kind of. Close enough. Sorry, I'm having a giggle at what I just read. Last thing. Second last thing. Second last thing. Let's do this. Okay, but we appear to be ready steady. So let's go. Where's Toby? Toby owes me dinner. Where Toby at? Toby, you're gonna pay for dinner. Hey, Rick, what's up? I had a little win this, well, it was a half win. I paid the duck. Give me a second, let me just see something. No, okay, I'll respond later. But I paid the duck, so that was good. I only placed 2 contracts because it was a tad bit of a degen trade, a tad bit, but I had a valid reason. Anyway, I don't be mad at me, but I'm in a trade and 2 out of 4 things are ticked. I don't know why I'm in this, but I partialed and break even. Oh, only true trader? You know what? It's okay. I mean, you saw what I did earlier today. I also took a tad bit of a degen trade. Things happen, okay? It's like the last trading day of the year. Well, for me. Ash, I don't know if you're trading tomorrow. Are you trading tomorrow? Not really. Are you trade with the cash? What up? How's it going? Akash. Sorry, I don't know why I said a cash. But how's it going? It's our bodies. No, you're not trading. Oh, okay. That's good. Probably a good thing. Probably a good thing? Okay, see. So it is like the last valid trading day. Also, can I just say, here's who was here? Who's my evidence? That was a very loud sigh to lie down. Anyways, wait the who was my who was still here when Toby was like, it's going to hit this level and then go back down, and it did not hit that level and then go back down. I'm just saying. So now I am owed a dinner. I'm owed food. I'm just saying. And I'm hungry. Moving on. Hey Max. It's 8 p.m. in India. Oh, damn. Okay. 8 p.m. Damn, it's like, that's like bedtime for me. No, I'm joking. I'm half joking. Good grief. I was here, but I sleep there. I thought this is no, it's not morning. Yes, no, Akash, it's like 20 past 4 in the afternoon here. I did, Bob. Well, not a full. Okay, it would have been a full TP if I left it at a specific level, but I really thought it would come grab the Asia high before melting back down. And I mean, you could see it got really close. It's okay. And I only placed 2 contracts with it because it was a teeny tiny bit of a degen trade, and that's okay. We're allowed them now and then. I'll get everything back together tomorrow. I'll get everything back together tomorrow, but it's okay. In my defense, I was sitting up right now in that chat in the setup forms while I was doing a test record. Ooh. Yeah, only two. Only true. I get it. That's okay. So I'm assuming you're in a long right now, right? You sleep at 1 a.m.? What? You sleep at 1 a.m.? That feels Very late. Indeed I am. Awesome. I'm not even gonna ask you where your TP's at. You just say whoop whoop and I will whoop whoop, okay? To be fair, you have been enjoying this little bit more of a pre-market setup. Yeah, no, David, but you're weird. Like, sleep is a thing. Could be a hard session, this one, so position size accordingly. Rip, but that's exactly, like I said, I mean, I fed the duck. I should technically have been up around 300-ish dollars if I put the correct amount of contracts, but I literally only placed 2 contracts on this trade because I know the price action is not ideal. So I'm being really cautious with these, which maybe is screwing me, but in the same breath, this price action could do anything. On a typical day, it probably would have taken out the high and it would have been amazing. But because this price action kind of sucks, it then didn't. So we're just going with it. Okay, anyways. 1 AM ain't bad. Only true trader. Does everyone just have issues sleeping? I'm convinced everyone just has issues sleeping. Hey Boris, what's up? That's so cool. I'm a student. I trade New York, then I study late night. Gosh, that's so rough. I'm so sorry. 25703. Okay. Note that. I'm on it. I'm on it. Here's a rip level. Going the wrong way. Okay, we got ourselves a rip level. I'm excited. Only should trade at 23 AM high is my TP. Damn, okay. Cool. Cool. Amazing. I need that $50. I'm gonna do a copy. No, please don't copy trade. Oh, this thing. Hey Mac, what's up? How's it going? Sometimes I go to sleep at 6 AM or just not sleep. David, there's something wrong with you. Like, sleep is good. At 3 AM, wakes up at 8 AM. Boom. Guys, are you okay? Just asking. We've hit deleted. Noted. Thanks, Rip. Mac, how was London? It was actually good. I had a little green. Little green there. Itty bitty bit of green. So that was quite cool. Yeah. It was nice. Probably means high in Spanish. Oh, that's cool. Thanks. Thanks, Mac. I did not know that. And chow is buy, right? I might be taking out break even. Horrible price action. Yeah, mistakenly. I have bought an account with consistency rules, and that's why I have to do small profits. Oh, but that's okay. Oh gosh, it's not bad to have consistency rules. It keeps you from overtrading sometimes, right? Shout out to David. Thank you for the donos. We're hilarious. I'm all for it. But did you take partials, only true traders? So you're still in the green? Hey yo, Jordy, where you've been? That English nailed it. Where have you been, Jordy? There we go. Oh my great giddy aunt. I do have these relative equal lows marked out. Do you think it's going to hit these before maybe continuing to a buy side? Yeah, Bob, I'm not going to lie. This price action is terrifying. That's okay. Jenny, why? Are you going goth mode today? I mean, it's kind of... Oh, thanks, Mac. Well, yeah, you know what? I can do the goth mode thing. I like my goth mode activated. I used to be pretty. Anyways, it's okay. I used to be pretty. Anyways, at 1 a.m. at sleep is every day during exam. I sleep at 2:30 a.m. Horace, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. How's it going? I've been like everywhere, but just got back home now. Went on a trip to that lodge, going to MP after the 5th. Damn, Geordie. Okay, wait, Geordie. So then, are you gonna be able to trade after the 5th? What the heck? I like keep in mind 9:30 likes to put the high or low of the day, so expected after 9:30. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's see what's poppin'. Hey, Square Bob's Sponge Pan, how goes it? Limpopo, hey, what's up? You're from Limpopo? That is so cool. How's Limpopo? I used to live in Limpopo side. Knights Templar, we should range with Fed meeting later. That is valid as well. What time is that? What time is the Fed meeting? Wait, what happened to the news? Oh, bleh. There was supposed to be news earlier, wasn't there? No. Nope, I was probably seeing those, might be. I know, this price action doesn't look great. It's okay. After the 5th, what if Geordie wants to plead the 5th? The best ever. Good morning. How you been? Long time no see. How's it been going? 9 out of time. Oh. See, that's just too late, ain't it? It's too late. I'll be able to, sure, but probably won't be focused enough to pull the trigger. Besides, I'm between firms now, thanks to... Ah, Jordy, okay, that's quite frustrating. What about... I don't know, have you tried top 1, or you're not such a fan? I mean, obviously I've had no complaints, but I haven't tried to take payouts and stuff yet, so... You know. Is what new? Square Bob, Sponge Pants, there we go, nailed it. I'm gonna get it easily one day. Anyways. The best ever, I'm good, I can't complain. Is that Nasdaq? Yes, this is the Nasdaq. Yeah, apparently, Jordy, I don't know when this happened, but yeah, apparently I'm married. I ain't got no ring though, I'm just saying. I don't see a ring on this finger. I need to start doing this single ladies dance. But sorry, so lame. I'm gonna be quiet now. Brian, what's up? No? Okay, Brian's standing. Sorry, careful. You will be banned. Oh, there's news, yeah. I know, but that doesn't help, Mac. I'm not here this afternoon, so I'm gonna miss it. Okay, do you think this is now clean? Because it was definitely not. Oh my goodness, I can see things. Amazing. I don't know about that one. I mean, if you play and get paid, maybe I'll join it one. Yeah, Jordy, because I heard from... Who was it? I don't think he's trading now. He came from South Africa, he's now living in Thailand. I've forgotten the name. But he says he likes top 1. He says the only thing is they don't normally pay within the day. They take like 5 days, but they do pay. But it just takes a little bit longer than it should. Oh, here we go, it's opening. It's... Oh, hello. Cool, 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 cool. Long as liquidated in. Need to have confirmation that price wants to go to those. Just call him Sponge. I know, apple butter, but now I'm like dedicated. Oh, Mac smooth. Have I tried Maven? Is it allowed in South Africa? Sponge. Sponge. Gold is going really well. DJ, I've heard Silver's doing amazing. I've heard Silver has just been ridiculous at the moment. Okay, I'm here to blind everyone with my numerous blocks, so just bear with me. Hello. Hello. Thank you. So this is nope. I have a process. You guys literally just get to witness the process. Is it always accurate? Yeah, not so much, but it's okay. LP, no, sorry, my parents live in Uruguay. My dad's just half Portuguese. I'm like, yeah, see that. It's so fine. Huh. It's allowed? Really? And he said you can't buy. Wow. You can get a 10k account for $38. What? Interesting. Very, very interesting. What up? How goes it? Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe to Only True Trader. We are here as a supportive community, and Only True, you're on 25 subscribers, eh? And Bias, what's up? How's it going? Welcome, welcome. That's simpler from Hip hip, you're from KZN too? What's up? I'm subscribed, just waiting for him to go live. Honestly, Bob, me and you both. Oh, wait a second. Wait a damn minute. Ashley, are you not supposed to come live here with me? Whoa. I forgot about that. Hey, Jordy, amazing. I'm famous now. By the way, that's hilarious. Imagine if it goes down to liquidate buyers again, just in case. I mean, rip, it might. About a 50-point opening range so far. That's... yeah. This looks like it's going to be the 5-minute as well. Looks like. I mean, obviously a lot can happen, but this appears to be the 5-minute as well. I mean, we still got 2 minutes. Anything can happen, but it seems like it. And we still don't have a first presented either. ES is dropping. ES is dropping. ES took out those lows. Oh, Devin, thank you, by the way. I'm supposed to be live with you today. Bob, rubbish. You would never, would you? Nothing. I use price. Popped one. Sponge just need an edge. Forgot about edge. Oh, let's forget. David? Wow. Hey Mickey, what's it? NQ? Yes. Fox? NQ. We can do next week. How's that? We can do a co-stream before I do my own stream. I mean, sure. That sounds like a plan. I mean, I could still send you something. If you want. You guys might see me fumbling around a little bit. Is anyone in anything right now? This looks like it's struggling to break out. Literally the 9:30 range appears to be the 5-minute range. Okay. I don't love that ES and NQ are doing opposites of one another. But the struggle to break out here does tell you something. Fox. Yes, so I'm doing the MNQ. Hey, some guy. Happy Tuesday. How's it going? You know what, some guy? I can't complain. Can't complain. How's it going for you? Holy moly. This sucks. I'm not a great fan about whatever the heck this is right now. But okay, we're going with it. I'm just nervous on my own stream and since you're entertaining, I'll just tag along. Only true. I love that. Let's do it. Hey, Dennis, what's up? How do I journal my trades? To be fair, I didn't do this one from earlier. To be fair, I'm actually kind of been journaling them on the Discord channel recently. Yeah. On a normal, I should have taken that trade, but I'm on holiday. I mean, that's valid. Why is liquidated again? Yeah. Market was trapping all good here. Thanks, except it's stupidly cold and I miss summer. Well, it's stupidly hot here, so do you want to trade? I mean, here's the first presented and it's EDBD. Well, it's not that bad. We've seen smaller. Okay. This would be, this was the setup. I was just too slow. Let's see if this would have worked out. 0.5 would have been my entry. Shoot, this was quite a goodie. Except again, ES and NQ are doing opposites and ES is properly pushing to the buy side. I'm down to 0 slides. Oh my greatness. Okay, I've missed a lot. I'm sorry. Okay, I apologize. I feel like I've missed quite a few messages. Maybe. Respecting quite well, but it didn't bounce off as much as I wanted. Like, I could still enter this. No, maybe not. This was my trade. This was my trade. That's frustrating. Hey, John. Always. Always. I've seen small... Wow, damn you so me. Not your first rodeo. I'm sure you'll be good. Enjoy it and take pics. You know the drill. No! Oh, it's kind of heartbreaking to watch your setup work out. Well, okay, no. It's nice to watch your setup work out perfectly. It sucks to not have gotten into it. So there I would have paid the duck. Oh, this is crushing my soul. No. No. No, it's not 821. Where are you getting 800? No, it's not 800, it's just 21. It's just $21. Sorry, nothing exciting, Jordy. I wish. Damn, that would be awesome. The only thing that might stop me going is if I can't get out of work and to new conditions is what would take an hour to get to the garage from work. You can still enter after break obstruct and true. I still have to gather chop firewood, build fire. Some guy, you live such a cool life. I'm not gonna lie. It sounds amazing. I would love to just go there one weekend and just go. You're right, Jordy. I would so easily be kidnapped. Because here I am just saying, I would love to just go there for a weekend and just go chill and camping with you. I would get kidnapped. Not by you, some guy. I trust you, but still. It would be very easy to do. It's okay. Fox a little bit. Oof, that's cutting your fire. An hour, I mean, you could make it. It didn't bounce how you wanted it. I put my effort into the... I'm just going to ignore that. I'm just going to ignore that. Okay. That was freaking Nomad Trader. Honestly. Oh, thanks, some guy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. It sounds like so much fun. And if Perry could join, I think Perry and Elf would have literally the best time together. Uh-oh. Right, Bob? And I missed a... To be fair, it is also saying something that it's struggling to break out below. But it respected the first presented really well. But this little struggle bus over here is also telling me something. This PA is just you. No, you're right, only true. It really is. I mean, at the end of the day, I had a green trade. I am in the green. By $140, technically. Thanks to David. Code... Wait. Bob? Oh, do I want to know? I don't think I want to know. Well, you can set the day and we can do the code stream. Hell yeah, only true trader. Hell yeah. Which day do you think would be best? Maybe Wednesday? You're not ignoring. Which prompts after the okay pulled? I do not, sorry. Let's CGC dump here. Oh, you think gold's gonna dump here? What? NKX? I've heard gold has just been going crazy. What up, Opulent? How's it going? And house? How goes it? You must be kidding me! That's fun. That's so much fun. Like I said, this was such a perfect setup. It had everything. It was beautiful. I mean, the fact that the candles aren't closing below is a little bit terrifying, but that sucks. That sucks for me. Yeah, rip, I see. Can we just acknowledge what a perfect trade this would have been? And now I'm sad. It would have been such a perfect last trade of the year as well. Literally, chef's kiss. But alas, it did not. It's wait. Okay, the only thing it's saying is that price prediction. It's waiting for time. Okay, for time. Any particular time? Rip. Sorry, I just read what your message said now. And then a Tradeify. Good pump on influencer named Booming Balls. It's the same problem here. I open 100 lots and that doesn't include 400 lots. Oh my goodness. Trade's running away. There's nothing. They're way too risky, I guess. It was just such a nice, perfect one for me. It's fine. It is what it is. I'm still gonna be a grumpy little bean sprout, but it's okay. Don't ask where grumpy little bean sprout comes from, but we're going with it. A whole fresh year's worth of opportunity is not for— Ooh! Some guy? I love that. That is so accurate. A whole fresh year of opportunity. Very nice. Very nice. I do like that. Choppy movement. That would mean a lot of time. Mac, I was too late in setting up the trade. In all honesty, by the time I'd taken my first presented and drew it out, it was already there and then it dropped down. Yeah. So as I drew it out, I was like, oh damn, it's perfect, and it then went without me, and that's okay. But yes, this is actually kind of choppy. This price action does indeed suck. Wait, Bob, are you in a trade, by the way? That puts me off, and I was like, price accepted below. I should have told you about the inactivity, my bad. Perfect play. What's up? How's it going? See this consolidation on the 4 hour. Yeah, that sucks. Reading those 29 boring, but yeah, underneath now. Needs a little plan be better. Jordy, yes. Legs day today. Rip, I love that. Legs day today. I know you've said that before, but yeah, it's fine. Am I still in my long from Monday? Who knows? I ain't looking. Wait, but you said it at like a break even, right? So it doesn't matter whatever happens now. Whoa. Whoa. Alrighty then. Thank heavens, I was going to like set this again and be like, oh, maybe it taps back and goes further down. Whoa, just whoa. That's all I can say right now. Just whoa. Let's see, it's still kind of struggling to break above. As I say that, watch it break above. Bob, whoop whoop! That is amazing! Where did you get it? What trade did you take? Please send me a photo, I want to see. We have to see what helped you pass. Just move on, like some guy said. Oh, that's valid, Mac. I know. Well, it tapped Toby's level now. Except Toby thought it would tap the level and then go down. Well, let's see. Yeah, it was 10% profit locked in and stop loss and profit, not peaking unless alerts go off. Very nice news. Surprise for me on Monday when I finally checked my trading account. Some guy, I love that. Ah, Square Bob Sponge Pants, are you going? Bye. Box? Well, let's see. It's now kind of broken out of this, kind of. Let's see what happens. Hey Dom, what's up? Samuel? Hey. Oh, thanks for the sub, Marcus B. How you doing? How goes it? SpongeBob SquarePants? I don't know why you're leaving me, but it's okay. Bye, bye, Sponge. Dad, no, I'm joking. I'm joking. Have an amazing New Year's. I think that is the most important thing. Have an amazing New Year's. I did not, Health. Did you get in on the buy? Sorry, I was a little bit late with that response, but did you get in on the buy? I'm excited. Okay. All of this just kind of sucks. I'm not gonna lie. Like, this price action's yucky. If someone got in on the buy, well done. Like, seriously, well done. Only true trader, no, this is a little bit scary. I am! Hey Joe, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back. Damn, some guy. Now that is a scary threat. Did you guys see what some guy says? He says, don't forget to hit the like button, everyone. Failure to hit the like means all your trades in 2026 will be losses. I don't make the rules. That is terrifying. Can I like? I'm gonna like the stream now because I'm scared. I'm gonna press this little like button. There we go. Screw that. 2026 is gonna be the year of profits. I don't, Mac. I don't see anything right now. I mean, potentially this is now properly broken above. So let's draw this range out of curiosity, but I'm not trusting this price action. No, that's not where I would want that at all. That would be better. Let's see, but I'm not trusting this. I'm not gonna place a trade in this, at least not yet. Let's see, maybe it calms down a little bit later. We are still only not even 30 minutes into this. So maybe we got something good. Joe, I do. I definitely do. Here we go. The link is also in the description below. BT dubs for the Discord. For the Discord. Like what am I doing? Oh, I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Haha. Ba 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 bam. Here we go. For anyone that wants to join the Discord, visit. Here we go. Done. Some guy, what did he do? What did David do? David, I haven't seen, what is your, I'm terrified right now. What is David's new profile picture? What the heck, David? Oh, goodness. Oh, okay. I took the long when it bounced off the 5-minute opening range low. So when it kept bouncing here, so did you not like get a little bit scared around here? Oh, that makes sense. Now I know why you sent that message. I got it. I got it. I got it. So this was your indication that it's probably gonna go up, and it, holy moly, it went up indeed. Respected this as well. Whoa. Okay. Where's Toby? Toby owes me dinner. Hey Ben, what's up? I waited for the confirmation to go long. Okay, cool. Honestly, Dom, this is to the moon indeed. This is ridiculous. Who's in a long right now? Are you guys super, super happy? I was not expecting this type of price action from today. I don't know what I was expecting, but not this. Two. See, part of me feels like this is now FOMO. That's wanting to try and get in on this trade. I do. It feels like FOMO. Did you hear my neck click there? Sorry, my neck. How weird. Hang on. Just took profits. Perfect play. Whoop whoop. That is amazing. Well done. Then, okay, but how far up? Maybe 15 minutes. If you did, you might just see them. What David said. What did David say? Do we trust David? Seems like you forgot what day it is today. No, Rip, I did not. I definitely did not. I was talking about it the whole time during London. And it's why I was so with the green. No, for the green, for the bulls. Maybe it's a good thing I'm taking a teeny tiny bit of a break. Apparently my brain cells have lost the capability of brain celling. They're just gone, nah, we're done. Thanks. Thank you, bye. I mean, I'm not technically wrong. You know, green, everyone associates green with bullish momentum. I kind of want to take this. We've now got the direction. We've got this retested. I have my shelf. I have an order block, and I have a fair value gap. It might come down further though. Should I risk it with like 2 contracts? Wait, nice, Bob. The buy position you took after sweeping low. Again, I'm only gonna place 2. Because this does low-key feel like FOMO. I do have 3. I do have 3. Except what has it taken? Oh, it's hit that level. Well, I'm in this now, so... Yeah, I'm in this now. That was not quite what I wanted, but that's okay. I zoomed out too late. I zoomed out way too late. Oops. Oh well, that's why I mitigated risk by a lot. By a lot. A lot. Shoot for the 0.2 entry. Well, some guy, I read that too late. Can you imagine that now works out perfectly? Can you imagine that now works out perfectly? Oh, Mr. Bale is short from the top. Well, it looks like it's going... Like I said, guys, just do the opposite of me today. Just do the opposite of me today. I didn't see that it took out this liquidity here. Oops. I maybe should have checked that. Hey. Death hit the ground now. 807. 807 incoming. NKX 807? Nah. You think this is going up to 807? Impersonalized signals. You know what, some guy? I would say that's rude. But when you're right, you're right. Because, I mean... Yeah. Fox, wait. Fox, what was the rest that you were gonna say? Rip is gonna be so grumpy at me. I'm so sorry, Rip. I'm so sorry. I'm being such a silly goose today. I know that, guys. My discipline has just gone out the window. Like, disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. I am very much aware that my discipline has not been the bestest today. It's okay. Some guy, indeed. Sugar honey iced tea, it's 10. Shoot, it's 10. 10 tends to be reversal. No, I didn't look at the time. I didn't look at the time. I didn't look at the time. Oops. I did not look at the time. That's on me. I should have looked at the time. No. Yep, that's on me. My bad. That's what I've completely forgot about. Like I said, discipline kind of went out the window today. My bad. It's fine. It's fine. We're gonna have time. It's okay. It is what it is. Some guy, if this now goes up for that 4-hour trade, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna be grumpy, but I'm not gonna be quite happy. Might surprise you, but I don't really hate the idea you had. It's not that bad. What I hate is the time and the stock. Interesting. Let me check something. Let me check something, right? Hear me out. That's better. And I hear you with regards to the time. This would be a better setup for a long. It would be a better setup for a long. How big is this though? I feel like this is rather large. You're right though, Rip, that did surprise me. I am indeed surprised. I really thought. You would have less trades but a higher win rate, as long as your confluence is valid, some guy. Yeah, true. Would be Mr. Bale would be today. What's happening? especially with potential fast stretch. You could be right, potentially more profitable over time with 4R and higher win rate. Would it be a higher win rate though? I'm gonna calm down. Sorry, hiccups again. I still see it right here, right now, taking off. Fox, don't worry. There's things happening in 2026. That's all I'm saying. This would have been a better trade. Okay, I'm now gonna sit on my hands. I've done. I feel like I need to go sit in the naughty corner. Oh, good grief. I didn't have the wrong idea, just potentially the wrong range. Except now, it's not quite respecting on ES how I thought it would. Who's watched the new Avatar, by the way? Is anyone into Avatar? Not The Last Airbender, the whole movie franchise thingy. Careful with that also, because we're in a time where price decides what to do, so a lot of probability gets shifted now. This type of days make the difference. Interesting. Then now what? I haven't done any testing on it, but my theory is that it would retail would consider a bounce of, but a more likely supply demand that needs to be mitigated. Good grief, David. Hey guys. Okay, NKX still thinks it's gonna go up. So there. I'm just giggling because watch this work out perfectly. Here would have. No. That would have been the freaking entry. Okay, let's wait and see what happens. Now, let's wait and see. Was a little bit of a proper bounce off of VWAP, but not really quite as much as I would have wanted. Fox gold futures. I've tried gold futures before. It's... I want to say different, but it's not... Different is the wrong word. I think I'm just not used to it. I'm so used to NQ. I felt... I don't want to say scared, because scared is also not good. Completely overwhelmed by it, because I'm obviously not used to it at all. Again, bounced up. There's definitely some selling pressure, but it's not breaking past. This could actually shoot up. Only true trader, why are you crying? Inferno, no, I would be looking at... I was interested in longs here, to be fair. But do the opposite of what I say, so potentially look at long and shorts, yeah. Gold will give you nightmares. Night sweats, rather stick to NQ. That is hilarious. I love that. That is amazing. So I'm assuming you've tried to trade gold before and it was just a no thanks. Not for you. Trade NQ with integrated SMC and world flight. What platform do you use, Fox? If broke this high last candle, we see a moon. Yep, no, we're going down now. The selling pressures that... This feels like some... I want to say seek and destroy again, but that's not right. Search and destroy price action again. That hurt my feelings, but it's okay. Mr. Yeah, Mr. Bale, you exited your short. This market is very volatile. Yeah, it's not great. I'm now gonna just sit on my hands. I agree, Bale. It is just doing seek and destroy. It's just gonna be going up and down. It's just huge up and down. Little bounce there. No, this is not great. I did. David, why is he crying? More like hide and seek. Rip, I love that. That is amazing. Absolutely. Guys, don't forget to like the stream. It is the last stream of 2025. That's like blowing my mind a little bit. I can't believe it. Like, part of me is sad. 2025 has been good to me, but in the same breath, oh my gosh. Just oh my gosh. Do you know 2026 is the year of the horse? Sorry, I'm now like super happy. But apparently 2026 is year of the horse. Rusty, seriously? Quantile platform. Have you heard of Sierra, Fox? What do you think of Sierra? Crush the thing. Hell yeah, Vin, let's do this. Go have fun. Oh, I love it. Heck yeah. The new Maya 2026. We're gonna have so much fun. I hope. Let's hopefully make some money, guys. Money good. Money good. Any stop loss in the zone right now? Yeah, Dom, it's not great. Only traded gold actually, been more interested in QF. What? Seriously? That is amazing. Well done. But you're on the gold. No, you're on the futures, the NQ futures. So you're preferring the NQ futures. I think that's very interesting. I've always heard mixed reviews. Like I said, I've always heard mixed reviews, but a lot of people that go from gold to futures tend to prefer NQ futures, just from what I've noticed. Thanks, David. I'll check them out now. Yeah, it's good to see you, Since thank you, David. 26th Maya pulled it. I'm not gonna lie, I nearly forgot about that. I nearly forgot about that. Might wait till 2028. Hilarious. Okay. Some guy. I've given you way too much power. You have way too much power. I do love it. And you know what's potentially a problem? I still have that Patreon open. So more people could still potentially buy bull dips. Which again, seems very dangerous. Yeah, good Sierra chart. Yeah, Sierra chart is quite good. Okay, Fox. Well, like I said, let's see. Last stream, take a buy from here for funsies. What? Just one. A buy from here. A buy from here. Taking out the low. Okay, who thinks a buy from here for funsies? Yes and no's. Will I continue to wait? What's the Patreon link? I'm gonna do it now. I'll wait until it's combined and least expect, and then only then. Oh damn, so it's that typical when you least expected situation. The low form now is a trigger for 25 points. It's taken after 10:15. What, a trigger for a buy? Is that what you're saying? TradeX, I'm very bad at. I'm glad to do it now, so I can't buy trade. We check the pocket and footprint out. It might wait until 2027. Some guy that's so mean. Okay. This feels like a terrible idea. Platinum player! Oh, so Rip says to the downside, but LP says to the upside. Oh, I'm conflicted. Only if it is taken. But it's already now 10:15. And the low hasn't been taken. It's been taken on ES though. Not to get liquidated in 24 hours. As the same moral of the story, do nothing in the range that form. That's valid. Gotta take it off. Oh, bye, some guy. Enjoy. LP says he would buy. Oh my goodness. Either way, I feel like this is just a problem waiting to happen. Should I be ending the year being a degen? Maybe not the best idea. Cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Have a happy new year. Hey, Joe. I did. I had a little loss, unfortunately. It is what it is. The sellers seem strong here now. Yep. The sellers indeed seem strong here right now. Hey Rio, what's up? Hell yeah, let's blow some accounts. Well, that's the spirit, ain't it? Says screw it. Hey, High Life, what's up? How's it going? I'd wait for fair value gap and retest low could be taken. Ooh. To be fair, it is just low-key stuck in this range. ES looks like it wants to push down. Apple butter? Have you been trading this December or not really? Oh, Joe, not that much. No, I barely put any contracts in. I'm down 30, let's say $38. That hit it. Rip the power of doing nothing. I know. Early we come back to view. Again? You think so, Dom? Very risky trades. Mr. Bale, are you in a trade, by the way? His low could be taken. I know, the art of doing nothing. I'm just a problem. I am the problem. Watch this now shoot down. The question is price accepted above or below 930 right now? It's accepted above 930 right now. It has not broken out that 930 range. My bad. Sorry, David. My bad. Damn! I mean, that's amazing. Whoop whoop. That is awesome. Samuel, what's... Oh, Teddy? What's my New Year's resolution? Sweet and simply. Maybe today I'll just try a little $50 one. Ooh. High Life, it's not great. No, but it's still in the 930 range. It hasn't broken below. Give me a second. Oh my gosh. Give me a minute to just process this. David, you're an absolute chop. Shout out to David. Thanks, guys. Apparently I'm not in the green anymore. I mean, I'm not in the red anymore. As an equilibrium. Okay, Rip, I'm not gonna lie, you've lost me a little bit. Explain, please. I thought only if it broke out properly that it then wants to go to the sell side, but because it's struggling to break out, the likelihood of it wanting to push back up is higher. Globalist Bane? What? Do I trade? I do trade. What's up? Oh, 480s. That's where Bale thinks it's going. Sorry, I'm looking at things. High Life, how's the graph going? Not great. Price action is a little bit all over the place right now. But, okay. $807. Ben. Sorry, I'm just I'm focusing for 2 seconds, believe it or not. But oh, here we go. This is so chaotic. This price action today is so chaotic. David has a good deal plan. Yeah. If price comes back in the 930, candles not exception above. Okay, Rip, I'm a little bit confused, but I'll message you on Discord to get clarification. If I look... It looked like a good idea, but it looks like it's still ranging. LP, it's not actually moving anywhere. It might start shooting down now. Whoop, whoop, thank you for watching. Hey, Dom, whoop whoop. Wait. You have smashed it. Yep, just a little bit, LP. It just kind of went, nope. Try again later. And anything you try to do in that range is so hard for you to get a right position there. So the play comes after is accepted above or below. So Rip, this is basically just a no trade zone. Is that what you're basically saying? This is just a no trade zone. Just hands off, leave it alone. Only true trader. That's it. Interesting, Rip. Okay, I see. And sometimes it respects it really well. Like here, it respected it really well and was almost a problem because it didn't come tag me in. I say a problem. It's fine. Oh my goodness, what's up? Hi. Oh guys, we have a very special visitor. Get here. Nope. I assure you, nobody makes money now. Well, hi. Hi, say hi. Say hi, everybody. Such a good boy. Okay. Hi and bye. Hey, just some guy. What's up? How's it going? Now we go up only above VWAM. OMG, what's OMG for? Yeah, Perry is the #1. He is so cool. He's just gonna chill here with me now. Just some guy, what do I think about Silver currently? I've heard Silver has just been acting like a mad lad and it's just been going up and away. Is that true? Hey, yeah, this is like my puppy. I say that, he's a very big puppy, but still, he is my child. I love him so much. And he goes with me everywhere. Literally everywhere. You guys have way too much fun talking rubbish. Do you know that? Just saying. Okay, bye. No. Oh, thanks, David. I would like to believe you, but Perry is everyone's #1. I'm just the human that is attached to the lead when it comes to Perry. That sounded so bad. Okay, I'm just gonna stop talking. David, don't you dare make a comment. I'm just gonna stop talking for a minute. I deserve to just be quiet for a minute for that one, so I'm gonna just be quiet, yep. I mean, Mr. Bale, are you in the green for today? There it is. He doesn't need to make a comment, we're all thinking it. Well then, Mr. Bale, yeah, stop while you're in the green. That's amazing. Whoop whoop. Well done. I want to go back into the green, but yeah. It's okay. We go long only above you. Let's see if it is accepted below now. It's kind of just meh. It's nearly 10:30. I mean, I guess we shouldn't have expected much with FOMC happening later, right? I mean, that's pretty impressive. But still. Nope. I mean, this price action just yucky. It's just yucky. Okay. Checking things. Done. Nearly done. Here we go. Ben, give nice one shot. I think this was it. It used up all of its oomph before FOMC, and now it's just, it's done. Did Geordie leave, by the way? Where did Geordie go? I feel like Geordie maybe said bye and I wasn't paying attention. Hey, Gray, what's up? It's super rangy with decreased range. Some accumulations happening to the downside, but I may be wrong. Rip, yucky. Yeah, no, this is just yucky. I didn't have the worst idea here. Wasn't the worst idea, it just wouldn't have worked. Well, it didn't work, obviously, but that's okay. It is what it is. Indeed, yucky. I'm not super chuffed right now, but it's okay. I was gonna say something. I forgot what I was gonna say. I was gonna say something. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna ask a very random question, seeming as whatever this is right now. It's poo-poo caca. I'm aware that sounds so lame. Anyways, what is everyone's New Year's plan? There we go. Seeming as New Year's is literally tomorrow. What's everyone doing? Is everyone doing something fun or not really? Wow. Hey Ben, what's up? Espanol? No? Are you asking if I speak Spanish? Katie? I do not speak Spanish, sorry. I mean, Rip, have you met David? Of course he's evil. Honestly. Seizes every opportunity. Yeah, Joe, New Year's is tomorrow. Anyone have any plans? New Year's is tomorrow? Not really, no. Shady, what's up? How's it going? Steven, what's sad? My plans for New Year's? Probably. Make fire and dance around it. I can just picture, like, the chanting. Have you guys watched The Proposal? And then she starts chanting, to the window, to the wall. Moving on. I live within a mile of a place that sells fireworks year-round, so I'll be trying to sleep and hoping my house doesn't get lit on fire. I mean, just some guy, that's a good plan. To just sleep is a very good plan. Is a very, very, very good plan. I should probably do that. Will I do it? I don't know. In the moment, I might be dumb and be like, let's go to karaoke. But most likely, because I need to be home for the fireworks, especially with Perry. I don't think he cares that much, but still. My fur baby comes first. So in a few days, I hope it's all with you and your futures trading. Hey, Lance! Oh no, the chop has been disgusting. I mean, I had a little green trade earlier, and I then had a little losing trade now, but it is what it is. Go have fun, that's awesome. Barbecue time with family? That is amazing. South Park, I'm thinking of going to South Africa. What? Really? Why? That is so cool. What part of South Africa? Sleep all day? I mean, Teddy, that's valid. We usually have bottle rocket wars. That's pretty cool. I think I'll be shooting up soon. Joe? I don't even want to assume what it's going to do, because I thought it would be going further up here. So I even took this long, and it just, well, did not work out, clearly. It's just not doing anything I expected. The only place it did something I expected it to do, and it respected it really well, was here. I even had this awesome trade set up. I was just too late, and, you know, stuff happens, it's fine. Mr. Bale, it's pure price action, I would like to say. Yeah, I think it's pure price action. So if the price action's just not great on that day, rather than not deal with it. That sounds bad, but you know what I mean. Go have fun, good food. Yeah. When I get up, I cannot go back. Hans, have I ever visited the States? I haven't. I really want to. But travel is a little bit on the pricey side of life. I was kidding about going to South Africa. See, now I'm sad. What the heck, man? You can't make mean jokes like that. I got all excited. I was like, oh, I can recommend places. There's so many cool places. You can go see the Big Five. And that's the cost of doing business. You can't run something without paying. No, that's valid, Rip. 100%. Well, I'm now sad because South Park lied to me. I'm just saying. No, I'm joking. Am I joking? Hi, what's up? Beyond yesterday and Himanshu, apparently. What's up? Visit California. It sounds like there's a lot of people from California, actually. Okay, no, Rip. That's valid. That is valid. I had a plan, stuck with the plan. I even set the trade with the plan, and it wasn't a bad idea. It just didn't work out. Is it gonna start going? I don't know what it's doing. This really is a no trade zone. It still hasn't dropped below this 930 range. Good grief. Is it just gonna sit here and consolidate? Low-key looks like it, hey? Hey Jaden, what's up? How's the weather over there? Joe? Hot. Like, well, it was rainy for the whole of last week, and now the past 2 days has been pretty warm. It's been like 26 to 30 degrees. Beyond, yes, what details? David, what's wrong with California? That's so mean. Dom, you still think it's gonna go up? Sorry, a mosquito bit me. Mosquitoes are so frustrating. My greatness. I just look at Bob's trades and I go, what on earth? Bob, your trades have just been amazing, by the way. Just a reminder, guys, if you guys do want to join the Discord, just, you know, behave. This is an amazing community where we're all super supportive. But here is the Discord if you guys are not part, and if you want to be part of it, here we go. Broly, what's up? If I do go to SM, my main objective would be continue no wins. South Park, you're so sweet. That would be so cool. Then, would you go shark cage diving with me? Oh, by the way, with regards to that, I spoke to the shark cage diving person, and they said best to do it because obviously it's silly season down here. So the sharks are back, but best to do it when everyone goes away, because then I can try and get a boat of like 4 people where it's more like friends, and then we go out on a boat of 4 people instead of like 15 strangers, and then it's more of a fun time. That's gonna be the plan. I'm excited for that. I say excited very loosely because shark cage diving? Yeah, it's gonna see South Park? Yeah, we can go shark cage diving. And by shark cage diving, apparently they mean no cage and you can just swim out in the open with the sharks. I'm terrified. Have you not watched? Okay. Why would you want to be inside a cage thrown by sharks if you not watched Jaws? Some say trading is like walking a tightrope, but I think it's more about knowing when to leap. Beyond yesterday, that was so profound. What? That is so cool. So there is a cage, only true trader. There is an option for the cage. However, there's also the option to not be in the cage. Yeah. You can do whichever. And because I like to try and be the bravest person in the bunch, I would probably attempt to go in the water. Will I be having a panic attack? Probably, but I will still do it because I am stubborn. I am definitely my father's daughter. I am a stubborn human being. Only true. You know what? I'm fine with taking risks. If I just don't come back, don't forget me, guys. Just don't forget me. Well, I haven't obviously booked it yet. Like I said, waiting for Jan, Feb. And oh my gosh, there's so many things I have to do. Was it Martin? Where did Martin go? He's supposed to now design me a tattoo. Heroes and heroines die young. Sam, that's okay. That's okay. I'm fine with dying young as long as, you know, I lived well. So this took a really random turn. This has absolutely nothing to do with trading, but we're having fun. Oh, thanks, only true trader. I love it. I'll swim with the sharks as long as they're well fed. I watched Jaws. Oh, that is so funny, you guys. It's so funny. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will be safe. I think. I'm like not in the screen. Okay. I'm back. I'm so sorry. Oh, I'm here to cause all the chaos today because this price action sucks. I'm going to be here annoying you guys for fun. Oh, here we go. Okay, we finally have broken below. Okay, wait, we've broken below. It's happening. It's happening. I think. Wait, I am. So you would rather skydive. I want to skydive. Skydiving looks like so much fun. I think these are nice. Oh, really? You think so, Southpaw? I'm gonna shock you if the car should do that, but yeah. After this adrenaline. Yeah. I'm more of a skydiver type, so I don't blame you. Mac, skydiving is on the list as well. Seriously, I would love to skydive. I've done a gorge swing. I'm not so keen on bungee jumping. I'm not so keen on the thought of the thing holding me up as my feet, and my poor spine has to deal with that. It doesn't seem like a good idea. So, you know, gorge swing, sure, it's a swing. That's fine. But bungee jumping, I'm not so keen on. But skydiving, absolutely. Sign me up. I would love to. Aww. Beyond. Oh, bye Beyond yesterday. Enjoy. Good night. I hope it's amazing. Last time my mom went skydiving around Germany for the first time. Oh, Southpaw, that is so cool. Did she love it? Was it awesome? Hey Dan, what's up? I know there's someone in a trade right now. Who's in a trade right now? Tell me, who is in a trade right now? Are they in short? It still hasn't properly broken below. I'm waiting for it to properly break below before I even consider taking something. I did bungee jump. It was one of my worst experiences. Ooh, beyond yesterday? Why? What happened? Now I'm scared. So, Fox, are you in a trade? Simply Spy, what's up? How's it going? Good night, John. Enjoy. Oh, damn. Okay, Dom, you're still waiting? Just pure Dom. Also, Southpaw, your mom sounds amazing. At 70 saying, let's do this. Let's go jump out of an airplane for fun. I mean, here I am saying I want to go do that and go swim with sharks and, but still. I'm still young and dumb, you know? I feel like. But then again, when do you ever really truly grow up? You only grow up when you stop having fun, right? At least that's how I look at it. And maybe that's the wrong way to look at life, but yeah, I'm having fun. I'm having a good time. Simply Spy. Aww. Cheers, Bob. See you next year. Have an amazing one, Bob. Well done, by the way. How old am I? How old do I look? My academics. Beyond yesterday? If you're asking about, like, trading and finance-wise? I got a date for New Year's Eve. It's December. Hey, Skeletor. I've missed you. How's it been going? You're from India. Damn, isn't it late there? Yep. Sam, that is... I mean, that's valid. That's valid. My niece, who but she couldn't get any other friends to go with us. My mom said, I didn't want, I'll go with you. Your mom is a legend, Southpaw. Just saying, your mom is an absolute legend. That is so cool. And yes, I'm saying legend. I know that makes me sound very young. I'm aware, but still. Southpaw, that's hilarious. Are you serious? Did your niece just hate it? That's amazing. Well, I say amazing, that sounds bad, but this price action is making me want to actually have a heart attack. Yeah, here you guys are saying that this, well, that sharks and skydiving and things like that is gonna kill me. That's a lie. This price action right now is going to be the thing that actually just makes me KO. Like, seriously? What is this? What is this even? Harry Potter. I'm not Harry Potter, I'm Timu Hermione. Anyone going to a firework display for New Year? Simply Spy? Well, down here, I think that'll just happen naturally. Okay, wait, Dom, I'm still watching, by the way. You say if it breaks VWAP, it's just gonna go to the moon. I'm not convinced anything's gonna happen until FOMC, to be fair. We still have a while to go. I'm kind of just gonna sit on my hands for a little bit. It's a range lock. 100% Fox. This is not great. Also, Rachel, what's up? Are you saying I'm Harry Potter or do you like Harry Potter? Because... I don't know. Why? What's happening? What is happening, Rachel? Are you good? Yeah, I'm with you on that one, PAB. Before FOMC. Honestly, Mac, did you get any trades in, by the way? Or not really? You staying out of this? Probably a wise choice. Let's see what happens here. Okay, Rachel. There we go. Where's everyone gone? Everyone's kind of disappeared. Is everyone good? Okay, wait, I'm back. Taking out this here. Hey Liz, what's up? That play basketball broke up because I said our New Year's resolution should be for us to travel more. Skeletor? I don't... What? Was that a joke or are you being serious? That went over my head completely. What's up? I made a line and she went and have been trading after it goes above or below, then waiting for a signal to buy or sell. It's been working so far. Oh, interesting, so far. What? Interesting. So you're going to be in a buy now? Interesting. Andre, what's up? How goes it? And Jovan, all my South Africans unite. How's it going? Welcome, all my SA peeps. I do have a Discord, Simply Spy. Yeah, Mac, I'm agreeing with you. I really, really agree with you. This is not fun right now. This is really not fun. Traveling is a penalty. Okay, it would maybe help if I knew anything about basketball. Sorry, Skeletor, I completely ruined your joke. I apologize. Anyone asking about Discord? Here. Yeah, no, not so much, Lance. To be fair, chasing and FOMO shouldn't be a thing that we do anyways. I say that when I did a degen trade, and I've been really bad today, guys. I've been so bad today. It's okay. You would have bought with... No, thank you for watching. Of course, Dom. I'm always watching. Price consolidates a lot and shows many manipulating. That's interesting. I haven't really taken note of that. Between 10, and 10, price consolidates and shows manipulative. I would have bought around 690. Where's 690? Really? Around here you would have bought? I don't know. I don't know. What was your clue that it was gonna go up? Clue? Your indication that it was gonna go up. South Park. Oh my goodness. English? Not Englishing anymore. English has depleted for the year. Okay, sorry. Hi life. I say bad things. This one had 3 confluences. It just didn't work out for me. I had the correct ideas. Same with this one. I was a little bit greedy. It should have been a full TP, but I moved it to where the Asia high was. And again, it was valid thought process. The price action just sucks. Oh well. I'm not always right, but when I'm right, it's a banger. Nice! NKX 807. But you still think it's going up to 807? On New Year's, I played in Austria after an argument about what champagne was. Okay, that one I got scared. Okay, I got that one. Around the... just call me Wizard. Honored Wizard, my bad. October, November are the only good months. This final quarter, the government shutdown made things hard, at least for me. Mac, that's actually quite valid. And okay, obviously I'm new to trading, so this year's just, I guess, been the norm for me. But I've heard from seasoned traders that this year was actually quite a difficult year to trade, with all the politics and stuff going on. That apparently this year was not the easiest year to trade. The price action has just been a little bit all over the place. Correct me if I'm wrong, because obviously, you know, I only started this year, so I'm a little bit, you know, I wouldn't know what the other years look like. Susan, hi. Hi, good morning. How's it going? Oh, cheers, Don. Well, no, Don, this is the last stream for the year. I'll see you next year. Oh, yeah, hello. Since open hours, I reference. Interesting. Do I speak Swahili? I do not. Sorry. I don't speak Swahili. This time I'm gonna stay up to make sure this one leaves. You know what? Pure facts right there. I mean, no, there's been some amazing parts of this year. There really has. I mean, I got Finn. That was awesome. Moved down to the coast. It's been an experience. Box ready for the sell zone. I'm low-key sitting on my hands right now. Because I don't like this price action. I've done my silly billy things. Yeah, I've done my silly billy things for today. I thought it was gonna go lower here, and obviously shot up. So do the opposite of what I say today. Ready for this up. Oh yeah, Bitcoin tanked last quarter. Joe, I heard Bitcoin just went down. The rip, honestly. Oh wait, it's going up now. Maybe it's gonna continue going up. Yeah, no, this. Anyways. Aw. Always happy New Year's and happy everything. Survive this year going to be so much better because you learned how to protect your capital the hard way. Aw, thanks, Mac. I appreciate that. Yeah, no, it's been a year. Guys, it's been a year. But that's okay. If you look at RSI, it's been having higher lows since before open. Okay. I'm gonna have a looky into that so far. Okay. Guys, we're going. I don't know where we're going, but we're going. What does anyone have like trading goals for 2026? Ooh, what are my predictions for next year? I have simply spot. I'm not even going to pretend to touch that with the 10-foot pole. I have no idea what it's going to do. I guess it all depends on what the rest of the world does in the politics and. I'm hoping it's nice, and that maybe we start seeing some. Hello. What's up? Hey, Rebel. What's up? Wait, Skeletor, are you leaving? Bye. I started during Yuri's. Oh, Mac, that's rough. Oh, that was a very big burp, my man. What strat am I using? Helios, what's up? Well, I have my own little GAN box, but I use some ICT and SMC complements for confirmation of my Up, there we go. Get one in funding capital. I mean, yeah, that would be amazing. It's going way up this time. Joe, you really think so? Simply Spy. I'm from South Africa. Well, no, not Orb. No, I don't trade Orb. This kind of looks like the Orb. I use the Orb as a bit of a confluence, but no. Here's my GAN box. I don't think it would have reached high enough. I'm kind of curious about this now. Give me a second. I'm checking something out. Whee! Ah. Well, no, that wouldn't have worked, but... Ah, that would have been close. Cool. Moving on. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. What, you think it's now going to do what I wanted it to do earlier? It's just taken a minute and a half for it to do it. Honestly. Fox, S&P 500? What about it? It's here. On the side. Oh, sorry. You might not be able to see it. Here we go. Here's S&P 500. I do have it open on the side here. 80K. Ooh, nice. Why don't I just copy trade? Because that feels lazy. Yeah, I feel like copy trading, that, sorry, that might sound rude. Sorry if there's any copy traders here, but, you know, you gotta learn for yourself. Range traders careful here. Why do you say that? What do you think it's gonna do? Okay, wait, so 807, right? Nope, wrong thing. And cakes don't do what? Oh, copy trade. No, exactly. Built on reps? What up? Do you like the gym? Very profitable, look at her profits, but is she trading live? And are they real? Sorry, that sounds so judgy. Here I am doing this, but I mean, I have all my stuff displayed. I'm very open and honest about everything. You know, I know that I'm not correct all the time, and that's, yeah. She's not. Oh, thank you. So back copy trading. Yep. Go to university. If yes, what did I study? Joe, I actually, well, yes and no, not really. But I studied personal training. I'm a qualified personal trainer. And built on reps. Hell yeah. We have fun here. Welcome. Welcome to the pure chaos. Is there much happening right now? No, but that's because the price action sucks. Fancy for doing what? Which part? Go have fun, rock on. If I'm going to copy trade, I'm going to copy trade myself, not someone else. Ooh, Southpaw, I love that. Yeah, trust in yourself, guys. I think that's it, trust in yourself. You can't also guarantee that how they think is how you think. I don't know, yeah. Again, copy trading just feels lazy. And I'm aware that it might sound rude, so apologies. Oh, thanks, Lance. Yeah, well, I try. Trading live. Oh, Nancy, thanks. I try. I'm badass. I'll take it. I'll take the compliments. NQ struggling to deliver 25 points. No, this is... You got a 6-pack then. Maybe. Got like a little line. It's not a 6. But guys, it's been a holiday. You can't ask me that question. It's been a holiday, Christmas, snacks. It's a problem. Rip. Oh, the charts. I thought you were talking about me. I was like, excuse me. You trade mostly. I train, but into me back in Oh, interesting. No, so I trade the Nasdaq futures. What's up, by the way? How's it going? Oh, rocks. Are you serious? That's bad. That's no-no stuff. That's illegal. Sorry. Moving on. I'm here to talk rubbish and have fun. He did. Rip. Really, really. So I have not tried that. Some more what's happening. The rip what? Anyways, reversal. Fox, you think this is a reversal now? Yeah, okay. Rip, me and you both. I'm so confused. What's happening? Simply Spy, do I have any other tattoos? I have so many tattoos. Yeah, literally so many tattoos. My whole back is tattooed. I don't know if you'll be able to see it though. There we go. Yeah, my whole back is indeed tattooed. You can kind of see it. I'm finally wearing a shirt where you can kind of see it. What was my last winning trade? Oh, Breeze this morning during London session. This was a loss, ignore that, but I had a little win here. I took a partial. I had a really good spot for my full TP. I was being cheeky. I was trying a nearly 3R trade instead of my usual 2R. You know, I'm trying to slowly build it up slightly. In this price action, probably a bad idea, but I tried, and I think that's the point. This is where I just get out and off and it just keeps climbing. Southpaw, I love that. Oh, Rip, you're such a sweetie. Everyone loves Rip. Rip is the lucky duck, by the way. Rip is here, and he is the original lucky duck. Yeah, we really, really love Rip. Why did my phone go meep meep? What's happening? Okay, moving on. Breeze, yay, thanks. What's the most overvalued company right now? Ooh, I have no idea. I'm so sorry. No clue. Basically an art piece. An expensive one for sure. Thanks, Mac. Yeah, no, 100%. And obviously I need to get my trading tattoo. That is next on the list of things to do. Again, there's just not a lot of... How do I put this? You know, obviously, like you said, it's art. It goes in my body. I want it to be done properly. And to find a proper tattoo artist down the side of the world is not so easy. Where I moved from, where all the tattoo artists are, I obviously don't live there anymore. So yeah, I need to find a proper tattoo artist to do my trading tattoo. Oh, thanks, Lance. I appreciate that. Everything. Oh, Rip. Speaking facts. 785 NKX 785. Oh, my bad. I'm sorry for this. How dare I forget that? Muddy. Should never forget that. Hey, Focus, how's it going? 785, 785. What about 785, by the way? Can I stand up? I mean, I can. Why? Depends on why you want that. Simply fine. Not make this bit. So, Joe, it's not even so much that I found my niche in futures. It's what I started with. And like I said, I haven't been trading very long. I'm not profitable yet. I still make... I won't call them mistakes. Sometimes I have the correct idea and it just, you know, the markets don't always go according to plan, and that's fine. Part of learning, right? It's never a loss, always a lesson. But I always said I will stick with one asset, or that's the plan, to try and stick with one asset. Yeah, until I'm a bit more profitable. Yeah. So I'm not profitable yet. That is the 2026 goal. To pass my eval. Tis the goal, what we're aiming for. I saved up, Lance, because I moved down here and my job was obviously where I moved from, so here we are. I don't know, wait just for the tattoo. think someone wants to see how close. Do a 6-pack. Stop. I just said it's been like Christmas and snacking and holidays. There ain't no 6-pack going on here. To prove you have legs. We're close above that high. I want to see 814. Interesting. Okay, I'm gonna make a rip level. So rip level will be longer. If we close above that high being the keyword here, it looks stuck. It just looks stuck. If I sound disappointed, it's 'cause I am. How disappointing. The human part of trading is the hard part for me. Fancy? I mean, that's pretty valid. The human and the emotion parts, right? The emotion parts and the overthinking. Right here. Ooh! Go for that's amazing. Right mindset, but maybe change your time frame. Hey, Milky Way Buddha. I mean, I do, believe it or not, I know I'm not chopping and changing right now, but I do check the higher time frames before I place a trend. I say that I didn't do it there. I should have done it earlier, but it's okay. In general, I do check the higher time frames, so I get confirmation of bias and fair value gaps and points of interest on the 15-minute, well, the 5, 15, 1 hour, and 4 hour time frames. Thanks, Mac. Yeah, no, true. Hope you had a nice Christmas and a happy New Year. Hey, Abraham. Well, it was a nice Christmas. It's going to be hopefully a quiet New Year. I will be so fine with quiet. I feel like I'm too old to go and do dumb stuff. And it's expensive. Let's just be real. Use it, don't use it. No, Milky Way Buddha, I appreciate it. Profit's a good symbol for trading tattoo. Sam, that's quite cool. Longer just because. This, oh my goodness, Rip. You say it's a trip. Lucas, you're so random. Why? I think his fancy letters might be a cool tattoo, or maybe a fair value gap setup because you like ice. Ooh, Lance. So I had an idea. Yeah, Lance, you're on the Discord, right? No, yes, maybe. Are you? You are. You're on the Discord, right? Oh, it does portfolio stuff. No, I don't think so. Ooh, Zenzi. Well, my job, technically, you could say it was personal training on the horses. So I specifically focused on horse riders and their muscles. That sounds weird, but yeah, that kind of sweet and simply. So I was a trainer. Overestimating your pain. Mac, my back disagrees. Just saying. Maybe my age is 27, but my back says I am indeed 80 years old. Struggles, okay. And it's not having the best time, and that's okay. I am young at heart, I think. No, I'm pretty old at heart. That's the problem, right? So hear me out. Maybe this is a weird thing to say, but I'm going to go on a little bit of a rant here. Are you guys ready? So I have found that in general, I get along with older people because you have better conversations and they're more mature. I don't deal really well with immaturity. I've found that traders, to a degree, are quite mature, which I think is really awesome. It feels like you can actually have some proper, decent conversations. But yeah, it's why I don't generally get along with like people my age or younger, because it feels like you can't have proper mature conversations, and it's a bummer. Anyways, that was my random 2 cents worth that no one asked for, but We're back. Like there's a time counting down. That's pressure has been getting to... Lance? A little bit, I'm not gonna lie. There is quite a bit of pressure. So to try and keep a level head and not do dumb things while feeling that pressure is really difficult. Yeah, but yeah, there's definitely pressure, and it's never easy, especially if you're not profitable yet and you've obviously saved up a certain amount and life happens. But it's fine. We'll get there one day at a time. Do I do leverage trading? I do not. 7 is so young. Take advantage of long-term investing and compounding over time. You can be rich by 40. I don't feel like I know enough about that. Right? And everyone always says, you know, do your research before you go and jump into any of that stuff. And it makes me a little bit nervous, Lance, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't know you were a horse whisperer. Definitely not a horse whisperer. If anything, they yell at me, but it's okay. Aw, thanks, go have fun. You're amazing. I really appreciate that. Do you get along with them in terms of like outside of trading? Yeah. Oh, do you mean the younger generation? What? Is that what you're asking? Simply Spy? No, I don't. Wait, so Lance, you also stopped and you've been doing this? How's it been going? But I agree, I can't imagine now going and doing anything else. Like you said, it would be a pretty heartbreaking. Okay, when you put it that way, I have to give it to you. However, I don't think your back pain is not age related. Yeah, it's valid. It's stress related. Box. ICT took profit. Nice. The weekly daily and 4-hour has worked for me. With 1 hour the entry, I mean, I could be something to look into, but each to them. Interesting. How big are your setups, Milky Way Buddha, out of curiosity? Do I still train? Simply Spy, do I still train? Yeah, I try to. When I have time, obviously life is busy. But yeah. I would say I enjoy the muscles and yeah. It's very interesting. Oh, do I still train people? Kind of. I've given 1 or 2 lessons here and there. Yeah, people down here aren't so motivated, so not really. Amount of folding if you invest in different market. Rip, have you just been like silently waiting on the side, waiting to say that? Have you just been there waiting for your opportunity to pounce? I feel like that is exactly what you did. You use only price action for now. Again, box for now. That's all I'm saying. Oh, okay, wait. We might break and hold. Let's see. I say that. There's like 10 minutes left for me. This is not the ideal time. Sigh. It's okay. It is what it is. Report. Don't even think about it. Just set up auto deposits. Oh, interesting. Can't see, but that sounds terrifying. Excuse me, as I have ears. Well, how am I supposed to know that, Rip? I've never seen you before. honestly... Oh, I'm gonna get yelled at. Okay. Hello, what's up? What am I doing? I'm just... Right now, I'm just sitting and watching the price action mess around. Like now it's going good. Now it's going where I wanted it to go. Why did it not do this earlier? Can you imagine it consolidated like this earlier? Would have been perfect. This is what I wanted it to do like an hour ago. Oh well. We swing my time, get rid of the leverage, widen the stop, breathe, and understand that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Depend on your time. Right. That was so cool. See, I'd be out while it climbs higher. Yeah, Southpaw. So maybe, what about if you take majority out and leave one runner? Have you ever tried that? Don't even think about it, treat it like a savings account. Your time on your side and need to take advantage ASAP. Yeah, Lance, I really have to look into that. I'll pop you a message. I'm curious. I have questions. Okay, well, it's closed above, so let's see if it goes to a rip level. Not the best entry, but a good stop there. It seems risky doing things at this time. It's now taken the high on ES. Let's see what happens now. Oh, that doesn't look promising. Watch. Where did I have this? I placed it here. One, two, no. Rather sit and wait. Let's not do dumb things the last day of trading of the year. That seems like an accident waiting to happen. I have, that's when it tanks. Oh. Southpaw, sometimes I'm convinced that the markets just hate us. Yeah, that nothing really matters except starting to invest long term. Simply Spy, really? Reload volume, 100%. Sorry, I'm giggling at Delta is positive. Yeah. Sorry, I'm having lots of giggles. Simply Spy, how has it helped you? Out of curiosity, you don't have to answer, obviously, if it's personal, you don't want to. I like to think that the market cares about me. Okay. It hates me, but it still cares about me, okay? I'm a nothing, but still. If anyone long, take something off. Yep, pay the duck. Ooh. See, that makes me nervous when you say things like that, Riv. But I would agree. It's not worth doing it. I got like 5 minutes left. Okay. That's the one I wasn't too keen on. Here's the trade I was a bit more keen on. Oh, damn. Maybe it doesn't work. See, again, my little silly brain is again going, just do it. Just YOLO. And I'm like, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't ruin the progress you have made on your eval account for some silly some silly moments, right? Market structure basics mostly. Oh, nice. Simply Spy, but I love that. Those are the most important things. Projected 785, but still in for 807. Oh, go have fun. Happy New Year's. Have an amazing one. I look forward to seeing you in 2026. It's gonna be amazing. I'll see you next year. Sorry. I know that's so lame. I'm aware, okay? So there would have been the tap in. Sugar honey iced tea. I really don't hate this trade. Ugh, well, it's too late. Let's blow something up. This is shocking coming from you, Rip. I'm not gonna lie. Absolutely shocking coming from you. You're now making me tempted to buy in on this. Check, that would have just wicked me in. Nope, never mind. Don't do dumb things. Don't do dumb things. Don't do dumb things. I'm on the 1 minute, by the way. Only true trader? I know. But do I trust any of this right now? No. Not even a little bit. I could still... This is gonna work out perfectly, isn't it? What if I just... No. What if I just market buy here? No, don't do it. I mean, Rip, to be fair, it's what I've been doing. I've been doing half my usual size. That now doesn't look promising. Wait. I mean, this time of day in general is actually just not great for trading. It's like lunchtime, not much going on. Sorry, can you tell I'm now deep in thought? I'm like... I just invented earplugs for dogs. I have questions? Yeah, literally? Explain, please? When it's time to go to when you're... Aww. Hi, life. I'm gonna probably hop off now. Yeah. Okay, no. Oh, NKX, amazing. Okay. Sugar honey iced tea. Why does this look? Okay, no, no. Before I do something dumb. Come here. Come here. Come say bye. Nope. Okay. Okay. Perry's here, but he's not coming to say bye. Sorry. Okay. Hey, Franks. What's up? This trade is giving TP. Don't say that to me. True? I'm okay. Sorry, can you see I'm like debating my life now? I'm seriously debating. Nope, nope. I'm gonna leave it alone. Leave it alone. It was some with nice cotton wool. That's hilarious. Okay. What you do in 2025 stays in 20. Okay, well, if you put it that way, I'm gonna do some dumb stuff, aren't I? I'm gonna definitely do some dumb stuff because if you put it that way, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do some dumb stuff because you said that. Watch it not hit now. NKX? Probably not. I did it. Maybe it was a mistake, but I did it. Y'all are bad influences. Well, let's have fun. Okay, gonna pay the duck here. If it gets here. Shush, please, Hardy Dolls. Thank you! And are we saying screw it and we're going for the rip level? Meh. Sorry, those are the Hardy Dolls. Shush, please, and thanks. Okay, I did it. You did it? I mean, it's your third. Yeah, I know. Oh, that's okay. Rip, you know what? Would have been so funny to see that. Rip. Imagine it does now. Imagine it does. I'll just be there like, me, but it's okay. Going to zero. Learn to code. Let's not be negative, Nancy. Okay. 767. Stop. Oh no. Rip, I swear they know. They went, got a good point. Can't let this one end the year happy. Honestly, what? Why? Why would we do that? Oh, am I gonna regret my life choices? Probably. But I would have... Oh no. I probably would have been more upset if I didn't... Fox, don't say sell now. I like your puppy eyes, thank you. Oh my gosh. You know what? At least we're having fun. Right? At least we're having fun. Don't code. No, I mean the whole market. I'm a long time. Oh, interesting. Learn to code. Really? I like Bitcoin, and it's just. Yeah. Well. Girl, your brain cells have dead. Oh, thanks. I appreciate that. I mean, to be fair, Fox, it has happened plenty of times where a lot of people have said, take something here, and I don't. And it works out. And it happens. And this happens, and it's fine. Learn to code, stick with it. It's okay. Can I blame Rip and Only True Trader for being really bad influences on this one? Oh my gosh. Rip, what were you just saying about that? Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Just take that little short live another day. You guys are hilarious. I was gonna yeah, you. Oh my goodness. Sorry. I know this is turning out to be a loss, but this is so funny. This is so funny. This is this is okay. You can't. Do I not entertain? No, that's not it. Are you not entertained? Okay, and on that, we're done. Sugar honey iced tea. This was not looking like a genie. Yeah, this is your fault. Oh my gosh. Okay. What'd you say? What happens in 2025 stays in 2025. We'll tell no one else about this, okay? You guys keep this betwixt us. If people ask what happened to the account, just be, I don't know, maybe I think, I don't know. Blame something. Okay, okay. We're done. Deadpool, hi! How's it going? Just bump it. Rip. That qualifies as the last trade of the year. Like I said, guys, whatever I do the opposite, okay? Hey, Kim Top, what's up? I saw nothing, thank you. Anyone short? I think a few people. Fox, shh, I know Fox. Clearly you're the person to talk to. Okay, you know what? It doesn't even matter. I had so much fun. Yeah, 100% Southpaw. I think that's the way to go. Whatever Maya does, just do the opposite. It'll be fine. Okay. I would call it there. Now that, you know what? It was fun. It was fun. It was a loss, but I had fun doing it. It's fine. Rip, like you said, what happens in 2025 stays in 2025. Can you imagine it worked? Let's just be real. Imagine it worked out beautifully. It's okay. I bought your ring. Okay, a deal, Kim Top. Is it pretty? Okay, sorry. I'll stop. I'm causing drama. You guys have been amazing. I had so much fun. I know it was losses and bad Maya. So proper degen today. That's all I was today, was a degen. Absolutely, I threw everything out the window a little bit today. I apologize. Let off some stress. Maybe you'll back. Thanks, Mac. That would be nice. But I will be back next year. I'll be back on Monday, so I'll take tomorrow because it's New Year's. The first is just chaotic. I don't think that's a good idea, and I'll take the second. Let's take a long weekend, and I'll be back on the 5th. Hopefully, where's the stuff? What stuff? Anyways, oh, thank you. Hopefully, the brain cells are back. Okay. After the holiday. Oh, Kim Top deal. Okay. I love you guys madly. Please don't forget to like the stream. Yeah, if you guys want to show any form of appreciation, that sounds weird. But anyways, if you guys want to join the Discord is in the description below. Yeah, let's get this new year going with a kick. Where were the levels? What levels? Oh, there was lots of levels, but it's okay. You guys are amazing. Again, thank you. I had lots of fun today. It was chaotic. It did not work in my favor at all, but I had fun. Again, thank you for being the best community out there. Just saying. You guys are awesome. I will still be chatting to you guys on Discord, by the way. You had a stop loss. You're not a total degen. I will take that, Southpaw. 100%. I will take that. Okay, I'll stop rambling. You guys are amazing. Have a happy new year. I will still be chatting to you guys on Discord. So, see you then. Everyone else, I will see you next week, Monday. Have an amazing New Year's. Mad love. Exciting things to come next year. I'm just saying. I'm excited. Love you guys. Bye.